Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. This video is an important update for all those who participated in the Nibiru gamified airdrop campaign. So if you head over to the Nibiru Discord server and tap on the announce channel, you'd see that there is an important announcement. It says that 163,000 users have successfully verified. They've been successfully verified, that is, they will receive an airdrop. However, 230,000 Twitter users have yet to relink the Nibi address and Discord verification rules to the airdrop page with the link nibiru.fight/airdrops. Now, they provided a link that is to an Excel sheet whereby you can verify if your wallet address is part of those that will be receiving the airdrop or not. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can check if your wallet address is eligible. So it says that the sheet in the data set verified wallet, that is wallets that have successfully linked to X and Discord past KYH and are in eligible regions. There is no additional action needed from these users. However, unlinked Twitter usernames which are not linked to the Nibiru wallet, these users should take an immediate action to link their wallet. Alright, so it says verification for the Nibiru X airdrop ends April 7th 2024 and there will be 0 exceptions. Guys, April 7th is tomorrow. Today is April 6th, so you must do this today against tomorrow. So verification ends April 7th 2024 and there will be 0 exceptions. To be eligible, you must have at least 50 Twitter followers, are not based in an OFAC sanctioned region, and you must have the seemingly human and likely human roles. Alright guys, so let's get into this video to show you how you can confirm if your wallet address is eligible or if you need to link your wallet, because you just have only today to link your wallet. So this link here is this Excel sheet here, and you will be required to search for your wallet address with the search icon here. However, let's get our Nibi wallet address from our wallet. So in this video I'm using the Kepler wallet. So all you need to do is to just search for Nibiru. Okay, so if the Nibiru doesn't come up, then you need to head over to the airdrop link, that is the nibiru.fight/airdrops. Tap on X airdrop and tap on connect wallet. Tap on Kepler. Okay, so once you tap on Kepler, it's requiring you to add Nibiru to Kepler, so you're approved. In the previous video that was done, I'm sure the tutor showed you how you can see if you've received your Nibi tokens for the gas fees when the main Nibi airdrop comes in. So now we can see that our wallet is linked. So let's get back to our Kepler wallet, see if we can get our wallet address now, since we've added Nibiru chain to the Kepler wallet. Alright, so this is Nibiru here. Let's do that again. Okay, let's tap on manage. Let's check it and let's save. Okay, so we can see here that we have 10 Nibi tokens. So this wallet has been airdropped 10 Nibi tokens. However, let's see if this wallet is eligible to receive the main airdrop. So just tap on deposit and tap on Nibiru and copy the address. Let's head over to the Excel sheet and see if we can search for our wallet address. So let's tap on find in documents, find. Let's see if the address is there. Okay, let's try to get. Okay, so let's confirm if our wallet address is on this Excel sheet. So you just tap on the icon find, that is the find icon, and then you paste the address, find in documents, and tap on find. Okay, now it says there are no entries matching the wallet address. Alright, so there is also another tab on the Excel sheet that is Unlinked Twitter. So when we tap on this, the Twitter I used was cheap buy. Let's see, cheap buy. Okay, so if we search for cheap buy, no more results found. Okay, saying no more results found, so there's already a result. So the result here is the number 6,461. It means that the wallet has not been linked and I won't be receiving the main airdrop according to this announcement you read here. So it said unlinked Twitter username which are not linked to a Nibiru wallet. These users take immediate action and link their wallets. Now let's go ahead to link our wallet. And to link your wallet, you'll be going to the airdrop page, that is nibiru.buy/airdrop. This will be provided for you. Then we tap on connect to X. We need to connect our Twitter. Okay, so let's connect our Twitter immediately. Alright, so then you tap on connect Discord. Let's tap on connect Discord, authorize. Okay, I believe our Discord has also been connected. Alright, so you tap on, after you do this, tap on link. This is the wallet that will accrue Nibi points. If another wallet already linked, linking to this new one will attach code. You tap on link. Awesome, so you can see now it's been linked. However, the fact that it's been linked now doesn't mean that the sheet has been updated. So I believe that the admin will still post another link that will then show those that have taken action. However, I need all of us to understand that when you link, where you have your wallet is not yet linked to an X account, here should display your Nibi points. This area should display your Nibi points. So we need to keep refreshing this page to ensure that our wallet has been properly linked. So you can see now, when you refresh the page, you see your estimated Nibi point balance. If you cannot see this yet, it means that your wallet hasn't been linked properly. So with this, rest assured that your address will be migrated from the unlinked Twitters to verified wallets, because this sheet was last updated April 5th, and from the Discord we can see that the deadline verification for Nibiru X airdrop ends April 7th. So you just have today to do the link. So ensure you do this, and ensure that you have the criteria. You must have at least 50 Twitter followers, and you must have a seemingly human and likely human role. So what this means is that when you send a message, so let's just send a message on the Discord server and tap on our profile, you must have the likely human and seemingly human role. If you do not have this role, ensure that you do this. You get the role on the Discord server. Just head over to channel and roles, and then you see where you're required to get this role. Just do what you're supposed to do and get your rules. Or you can always check the Discord server and ask how you can get your rules, and someone on the Discord server will be able to guide you. So ensure you do all of this that is required before you can get your Nibi airdrop. Go through the Discord server. Whatever question you ask can be answered when you check through different channels, or you can always ask questions in the general chat, and someone here, an admin, would be responsive. So you can see here everyone is saying that my Twitter name isn't isn't in the Unverified. I cannot find my address. So different people have different complaints. Put your complaints in the general chat section, and rest assured that an admin or a mod will attend to you. Alright guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that a team member will attend to you. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in our next video.